The 3 days that I chose to eliminate my cart usage on were Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I chose these 3 days because I go to school and I work on these days, and those are the days that I typically use my car the most. By taking the data and calculations from my lifestyle project week 1, I know how much CO2 gas is emitted from commuting back and forth to work, and that is a little more than 1.5 pounds. And by not driving to work 3 days this week, week 2, I reduced the amount of CO2 gas emitted into the atmosphere by 5 pounds. I was also able to recognize the health benefits of eliminating my car's usage to me personally because I ended up walking an extra 6 miles per week by commuting back and forth to work, and all I had to do was just leave an extra 15 minutes earlier. The only minor problem I faced while walking back and forth to work was that my work uniform that I wear is long black shirt with a long black pants, so I would be a little bit sweaty whenever I get to work, but it was all part of the experience of this lifestyle project and implementing these changes to see their impacts that they have, and so I really didn't have any problem with it at all.